solo stick training. So welcome to 3 count. So on 3 count, we've got, once again, it's a flow drill, so we can both practice backwards and forward. We can both practice defending and attacking. And from there, we get into a flow drill, which means that the faster your partner gets, the different energy and everything you're feeling, how quick these movements will become. So from here, there's a couple of sequences. One, they're doing an attack to the head, which you're simulating by blocking here and checking the hand. From there, you would then do a straight to the leg. So ideally, we're getting 1 and then 2. What's going to happen is your partner is going to learn how to defend this. They're going to do a drop stick, which means they step their leg back, which means I miss, they drop stick, and then immediately tap the head. Bang. From here, you then lift it up to protect against this. And then the drill starts again. I get to learn how to here. I get to learn how to defend the leg strike, then hit the head, then it comes back around the side, and then I go back to the leg, back to defending here. So there's a couple of things that they're learning. One, they're learning how to block this and attack the leg. So that could just be it. That could just 1, 2, finish. The next one you're learning is if somebody goes for the leg. So you're learning to clear your leg out of the way and then hit straight back on the head. So if this was coming for the leg, you've got this arm and then hit. So that's another attribute that you're learning from there. And then from here, if there's attack just straight to the head, you're learning. So if it's coming straight down, you're learning from here, clear off to the side. You know, this could be reinforced, this can be checking the hand here, and then you're learning that's a straight counter from there. But it's put into a continuous 3 count drill, so you just get to keep the flow, continuously keep going. So then it looks like this. So we get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and time. Okay, and that has been your 3 count.